YouTube, don't delete my comment. Anyways, do you feel happy without me on Roblox? No, I already just said it on it, so no. You said if I leave, it wouldn't be the same. But so when you leave, it wouldn't be the same. I just don't care. Just because I play with Lulu doesn't mean I stopped caring for you. I still care for you. Why would you think that I hate you? So you said that that I lied, that you feel lied, that I couldn't see your YouTube comment, but I just didn't want to comment on it. So yeah, bye.